Prime Ministers of Papua New Guinea and Fiji. Let's give a welcome. Thank you. Can we ask you to... Thank you. Thank you.
It's a great pleasure for me to be here with the Fijian trade delegation for the signing of the historic joint venture partnership between Fiji and Papua New Guinea. As you know, under this arrangement, Mr. Prime Minister, Fiji's National Superannuation Fund, the FNPF, will take a significant stake in PNG's majority locally owned mobile telecommunications company, the Bemobile. At the same time, the management of Bemobile passes to Vodafone Fiji and becomes part of one of the world's largest mobile operators, with 440 million customers in 80 countries. This is a major investment on behalf of the Fijian people, and we are very excited about this. And I would like to congratulate the FNPF, along with the other stakeholders, especially the government of Papua New Guinea, through the Independent Public Business Corporation, the PNG's two superannuation funds, Nest Fund and Number One Super, and of course the Asia Development Bank. As I said, this is an exciting venture and an important milestone in the new relationship that Fiji is building with Papua New Guinea. We are pursuing closer economic ties, Mr. Prime Minister, with a view to eventually creating a single market for the countries of the Melanesian Spearhead Group. And we are leading our Melanesian partners in the rest of the Pacific into a new era of development and prosperity for all our peoples. This investment is in an industry that is transforming the lives of people the world over, including our region, and in which Fiji is taking a prominent role. Fijians are benefiting from a telecommunications revolution that is empowering our people and providing them with enormous opportunities. Fiji's mobile penetration rate is more than 110%. More mobile phones than people. And compared to around 35% in Papua New Guinea. So there's a huge scope to grow this market, not only with mobile phones, but a range of digital telecommunication services. And we want to take this opportunity to come in and be part of this venture. In Fiji, 90% of the country is now covered by 3G technology, increasing the usage of smartphones and internet access through wireless broadband. And we will, in the next few months, as I've mentioned this morning, call for bids to introduce 4G. We have also introduced competition in the industry that has given ordinary people affordable access for the first time. And a national network of telecenters established by my government is providing free access to the internet and other services for students during school hours and the surrounding community after hours. This revolution, Mr. Prime Minister, is already producing a transformation in the lives of our people. Mobile technology now has the capacity to bridge oceans and mountains and end the isolation of rural and maritime communities. People's horizons are being extended. People are being empowered. Being connected means social interaction and better economic opportunities. Business thrives when telecommunications are reliable and affordable. Through this investment, we are extending that revolution to some of our island neighbors and playing our part in improving the lives of our Melanesian brothers and sisters in Papua New Guinea and Solomon Islands.